Both. Both. Okay. So now, ladies and gentlemen, we have Mr. Imran with us. So, sir, my first question for you is, again, obviously, the role of technology in education system.
Basically, the question itself is an answer. You can go back 10 years back when there was no laptop or computer lab in the schools, in the college. So please compare the students which are basically coming in 2025 with those which are in 1990s. So now a 7th class student of CBSE board can create the programs in C or C++ language. So there is a difference.
And according to you, the role of AI specifically, how is it going to change the entire education system in next decade or within next decade?
See, basically, AI is something, there is something myth that AI can replace a teacher, AI can replace a mentor, but basically AI is just to assist all of the teachers and the mentors. So when there is a limit of, of a teacher that I can teach in 6 hours in a day, so what can I do? I can take the AI tools with me so that I can, teach more and more students in a span of time. So AI basically assisting the teaching technologies, changing the methodologies, and obviously will be a kind of a boon for us in the education system.
And my final question for you is your experience as being a part of National Education Summit 2025.
It's a wonderful program, and basically I thank to Dr. Mohammad Kashif who have basically invited me, and because of him I am here, and I am feeling very grateful, and it's a matter of pleasure for me. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. Have a good day. Thank you.